I think the most pragmatic approach to the dispute in the South China Sea or even is really to go back to diplomacy because everything can be discussed and can be talked about. The current government really has to go back and to diplomacy because as far as I'm concerned, diplomacy is a very potent tool in resolving conflict. If we don't go back to diplomacy, the whole region will suffer because at the moment, if you really look at Asia and the South and ASEAN region, we're being seen as the region that is very dynamic when you talk about trade and economics because this is the Asian century. Now, if you don't have that diplomacy in resolving the dispute of the South China Sea, then that kind of trend of being, ASEAN or Asian century, the boom of Asia in terms of economic, Asia being the center of the global development economically in the world, that will be disrupted.